Hi, welcome back to Shankar's channel. This is now another video of mine wherein I would show you how you can change the instance type followed by how you can increase the size of the EBS volume. But I may not cover the resize of the volume in this video, but in the very next video I'll cover that too. So if you run into an issues wherein you are asked to increase or resize the memory, not in terms of storage or disk size, but the configuration changes like RAM and more processing, any team needs while executing some long processes while working on some large projects. So that in that case, based on the EC2 recommendations, um, or Amazon recommendations for EC2 for different instance type for the different kind of requirements. What you can do is you can come here in EC2 console, and what you can do is you go here and you stop instance, and irrespective of whether it is Linux or Windows, you just need to come here. And before you do that, you may actually want to have the downtime if you're working in an organization. Please make sure do not do it if you are working in an enterprise environment without asking owner of this EC2 machine, because or she might be running some process in this machine. So you should not actually do it without going get some approval um, before you do it. So what you can do here is you can come here, check this box, click stop instance, and this will be stopping. And this is a Linux machine, but the process is same for Windows as well. Just refresh it. My Linux instance is stopped since I recently launched Windows instance, so it is showing the running state. But my if I clear this out, you would see both instances. You can ignore the previous one, the first one, and this is the Linux instance that we stopped. Now we will check it again. We will go here, actions, instance settings, and then change instance type. So when you do it, it's currently T2 micro. These are the different set of EC2 instance types, having some different configurations. You can go through it, you can search it, what these instance type means, how different they are from each other. So what I'm going to do for now here is, since we already have T2 dot micro, I'll go ahead and resize into T2 dot medium. So just a scale up by one, little bit more configuration, and then I hit apply. And since it has been converted into T2 medium, so I'll check it again, and I'll go ahead and start this instance. So let's wait. So it's in pending state. It will soon come up with running, since it's already running in a running state, but status check is not showing anything. So we'll wait. It should be 2 by 2 checks passed. It is now initializing. It will soon come up as 2 by 2 checks passed. Let's wait. I'll refresh it continuously just to check the status. I'll copy this public IP just to make sure we can log in into the instance and can check the configuration. It may take like 30 seconds. It may be on the last stage of the startup. So we can go ahead and check this using putty. We'll go ahead and create a new session here using putty. You should have the putty installed already into the system where you're trying to check this out. This I'll say this is my private key. I have already downloaded it. Key pair is already created. Instance is already there. You can uh, go through the previous video of mine wherein I have already elaborated how we can launch EC2 instance. So I'm into the instance, right? This is EC2 Amazon Linux to AMI. You can check several other things here, like what uh, uh, disk size we have. In next video, I'll cover how we can increase the root volume and the how we can attach more volumes. When I say volumes, it is nothing but like you're working on a computer on your local laptop. You have some drives, operating system where is C drive is there, where is where operating system installed. We have more volumes like drives where you keep your data into it. So AWS terminology, we call it is as EBS volumes. So we can check what volumes we have. We have one volume here, and we have partition of that particular volume. It's of 8 GB. And like I said, I'll cover this topic in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day ahead. Bye.